Just manage the risk on this position. It's getting close to lose time. If you have too much on, maybe reduce it a little bit. I don't want this hit to be substantial on the day. Give yourself room for more trades. There still hasn't been a 1 minute FVG created. How ridiculous is that?
What does that tell you about price?
Everything is balanced. That's what it tells me. Everything in
It's,
levels is balanced. So if it passes these levels, it's full blown dumb.
when you were saying the whole market open range is balanced, what about the 630 FEG? What do you think of that?
That's just the market open candle. So yeah, that's in mind, right? This is in mind, but it's not the first FEG of market open range.
I see.
You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
So I've managed my risk in a way where if this stop gets hit, I'm gonna still be BE on the position. Like on these pushes up, I managed it in a way where if this stop gets taken, I'm still gonna be BE. Uh, Equal highs here. Ridiculous. Should hit stop.
Looking like a choppy day.
Still no FEG. If you see how close that was to my stop loss, it's ridiculous. I'm pretty sure the bid touched it, the ask didn't.
Three, two, one.
Take a partial. Take a partial. EB. I had some buy stops over here. They just got triggered. Nice, no slippage today.
No problem.
50 handles TP hit. Bang, bang.
Wow, hairline away from stop.
Bro, I'm
It
telling
it
you.
it ticked mine.
Ask didn't.
It literally ticked mine. It's okay.
Why did I favor long side? Can someone tell me?
Because shorting Monday, Tuesday, this daily opened up, didn't make a upper wick, shorted off the whole Asian London. It's bound to make a upper wick. Also the 5-minute structure before it longed.
I don't like that. I left the inefficiency there. You see it?
Yeah.
God damn it, dude.
And dog.
From today?
Yeah. Made an upper wick.
And dog from a day back. Look at
No,
this.
today.
No, I know, but this is also end dog from the 13th. March 13th.
Yeah.
Darn. Good shit, bro. 80 handles, boys. 80 handles. Can I get 100? Can I get 100? Can I get 100? We just took out yesterday's high. That's it. Just like that, day is wrapped up. Crazy, huh? Just like that. Just like that. Day is wrapped up.
Appreciate that.
Love,
Yo.
2300. Ovo, your cheat code, brother.
Yeah.
Is it here? Yeah, it's here.
What's up, brother?
The cheat code. Go to the cheat code. Remember, I gave it to you 2 days ago.
Yeah, the CFTs.
Mm-hmm. $90. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more. Por favor. Por favor. $95. I wanna hit the gong. I wanna hit the gong. So now, if you took the Monday play, you should have a short runner, and if you have the Wednesday play, you should have a long runner. Hence, regardless if Monday is the high of the week or if Wednesday is the low of the week, you have the weekly play. Congratulations, you just broke the system. Oh, I get to hit the gong. That's 100 handles right there. Now we go here, we go gong, and do one of these.
This is not just another e-class, because it evolves from you.
Congratulations, your day is officially over in 37 minutes.
Good day, brother. Appreciate it, guys.
Absolutely, Press. Press, did you hold something for that 100?
Nah, I got out, man, because of where I'm at traveling. But hey,
Very nice, brother.
I can buy everybody what his blog used to say, a Big Mac.
A Big Mac?
Buy the whole restaurant.
One?
Anything you want today, everybody. It's on me.
See you, Preston. See
Yeah,
you, Press.
yeah. Hey, Ryan, I'll send you a video of what I caught yesterday on a move, but it was and
Hey,
then you can see where
Press,
I'm. Yeah.
did you get an email from CME Group?
Yeah, that competition come up. I think it's May, right?
Yeah, that's gonna be your shit right there.
Be fun, dude. Look forward to it.
That's
Uh,
we could talk about it like later on, but we should definitely capitalize and get your name on the board. I also registered as the Fox and the Maniac for this round.
Okay, sweet. Sounds good, brother. Um, I'm gonna get back at it. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Take care, brother.
See you, man.
Okay.
Take care, bro.
Later.
Arrow?
Who is that?
Hey Ryan,
Yeah.
we ran into some problems on the social media side, so I gotta give you a call after.
On what side?
The social media side.
The Silk Media?
Social media.
media.
Oh. Yeah, okay. Sounds good. We got banned or something?
Yeah.
Or what?
You
I don't
broke the
know.
system and got banned.
I don't know. I can't figure it out.
See you, Hybrid. Have a good day.
See you, Albert.
See you, bro.
Look at that. That's what I love to see. Preston gone, Tharon gone, Hybrid gone. Who else? Who's next?
I'm out.
Arrow, good shit, bro. I saw your board.
I'm out too, man. I got in 270. I got out right around 320. I didn't hold anything though.
320. Beautiful, John. That's a 50 handle run, bro.
Yeah. So I'm out, man. Thank you.
Amazing, man. Go enjoy your day.
Later.
See you. Lev,
Yo.
what song should I put with my post?
What you've done to me. I'm bored.
Can't hear what I'm playing?
Yeah, you can put that too. That's just fine. You think this thing is longing back to N1?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I threw a 0.5 at this, and I cleared out 0.45, so I have a 0.5 runner.
That this whole long or this retracement leg?
What do you mean?
You're saying you threw a 0.5 at like the bottom position?
Yeah, I had like 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 stacked in that range. So the way I played it was like this. I'll dive deeper into it. Basically, over here on this candle I threw 0.1, and then on this candle I threw another 0.1. On this candle I kicked it. On this candle I threw another 0.1. So when this ran up, I was already in like 0.3. I think I threw one more over here at the original spot of 0.1. So at 0.4 I cleared out 0.2 up here. Okay, at this high. So when I saw that high holding right there.
I should have left my stop open. I moved it up a little bit when I saw it starting to pull up, and that ticked me out.
No, you gotta just leave it down there. That's why I didn't roll the BE. I saw where the average was on anything. So I threw 0.4 in this area. I cleared out a O2 over here, which automatically had me at BE with the open stop.
I see.
The way that I played it was like it came down. When it was down here at the 50%, I threw another 0.1 here, so it was 0.3 left in total. And then I threw 0.1 buy stop right there. So when that shit blasted, it triggered those two. So as soon as it got up here, I cleared out the top two positions. And then I let the other three run. So I cleared out like I cleared out 2.5 out of the 0.3 up here at the 100 handles.
Yeah.
So this retracement leg and all of this, just pointless. My day is already done, but I have a 0.5 floater from here now.
Nice.
Anyone that's on, let that be your risk management lesson for the day.
Life is so much more than gold.
Ryan, do you ever use like staggered stops? Because like that's kind of what I did in this situation. I had one contract with the original stop all the way at the bottom, but then I also moved for the rest of my contracts, I put the stops in different areas. So if it came down, it would slowly take me out of the position to de-risk myself. But then the one place I fucked up on was I didn't put any buy stops.
You see, that's the issue with the futures, right? So like, so I'll do green for my buys. Okay, so I had 1, 2 right there, and then I had another one down here, and then I had 2 more right here, right? So these are my buys. Okay, well, this one stopped, and one of these was over here, while the rest were right here, where it like ticked. You see what I'm saying? So I had 3 positions open. One of them was a higher stop. The other 2 were down here. These 2, they were just open buy stop orders. So when those trigger, then I don't even have a chance to run a stop on that. It's just I hit stop loss B on magic keys and they're just stop loss B.
Yeah, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. And yeah, basically kind of did that, but like more poofy on the future side because I staggered them with the contracts. It took me out of, I went light. I only did 3 contracts. Took me out of 2 of them though. And then I fucked up because I didn't put buy stops. I didn't think about it.
Oh,
Boom, 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 boom. Jamming. What the hell, bro?
oh yeah.
Who is Jackie responding to? Is he talking
I
about?
think
I think he's talking about me. Yeah, I don't really mind. I'm glad I staggered the stops though, because in the other scenario where if it just went the other way and hit the full stop without any contracts, I would have been much more upset than it only hitting 2 and then pumping.
Like, think about it like this. Like, I'm just looking at Eric's board. Like, it's the same situation ours. Like, he ran a few stops tighter, those positions got triggered out. So 2 out of 3 positions at the same size got triggered out at that level. One of the positions, his stop was a little bit lower. That one position brought back the loss off of the other 2 positions, plus profit on the day that he needed.
Yeah, honestly, I like staggering stops though. This is like, I think this is the first time I've done it and I That was really nice.
The only thing with the staggered stops is how you entered that range. Because on futures, if you entered as it was moving against you, then the staggered stop would be fully beneficial with no question or doubt in mind. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, that makes more sense because of the average prices.
If this day sticks full bull above the previous daily fair value gap, we can expect tomorrow and Friday to continue potentially, right?
ATH, yeah. Let me send you did you see my screenshot just now?
Yeah.
So I wanted to see what retail saw, so I drew this up. Let me show you. This is what retail is watching at these levels. Go main chat. Look at where price was at that spot. So now I'm gonna send you one off the 4 hours so you can see what it looked like. You see it, love?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
You see that trend line? All
Yeah.
retail's eyes are on that trend line. So usually how they set it up is like this. They drop price. Holy shit, that's thick.
Oh yeah.
So usually what they do is they drop price, they hit a level, and you have equal lows right here, by the way. You also have equal lows down here. They rally it, take people out, and then set it up to dump. That's usually how they set it up. But this is basically how it works is like price comes down, breaks out of the TL, retail wants to see them touch TL, create resistance right there and drop off price. So this thing is gonna pull up, touch this thing, set something up over here, trap retail orders, blast, take them out, and then set it up to dump if it's gonna dump.
So the way you're explaining and the way I'm looking at it is they're gonna push this up tomorrow for news. They're probably gonna put that setup, blast it up with the news, and then Friday NFP is when they're gonna drop this thing fab all the way back down.
Potentially, if they don't run ATH this week. I'm still heavily short biased, don't get me wrong. We're gonna dump off at some point this month, but on the week, they might play it like that.
Look at dollar. I feel like dollar's going for all that sell side before it does anything else. $1.15. And it left a gap behind.
Up at dollar is just gonna kick it. It could drop down all the way past the FEG, set it up to go and dip out. That'll be the last time it makes a low before it starts rallying hard. Like this is the way I see dollar on the daily is it's that PM session ass move, bro. It's one of those like stupid setups. But ask me how I know they're doing this, like why I'm playing the days like this based off of the 4 hour on the screenshot right here. Because I've been in that situation. I was the one that was shorting that trend line on the retail side. And I would get stopped out and then I'd be like, oh shit, it's gonna long, and then as soon as I pop in the long, it reverses on me and goes short. So I get wrecked going short, you get wrecked going long, and then you miss the move. That's that daily FEG that Eric and I were watching. This pink box up here. So this would be theoretically another TP level up here.
Dow is not having a good time right now.
Dow's bullflag.
Dow is also inefficient AF.
This
AF.
is like the cleanest bull flag I've ever seen in my life.
Love, look at Cedar Dow. 1 minute. Like Nas has that inefficiency also, but Dow's is retarded large.
Are you talking about the 7 a.m. one?
Dow?
Yeah.
7 a.m. Oh.
Yeah, TradingView has it too, but much smaller, I'm assuming.
Hey, has anyone dealt with jury duty?
I threw that shit away.
No.
But I have a summon right
Just call them and say you're racist. I swear.
Raising?
Say you're racist. Call them and say I'm really racist.
I forgot what I did. I think I just got it. I threw it in the trash.
That's N dog. Dog right there.
Eric wants to share his screen, boys, but that's another TP level hit right there. So I'm gonna end my screen share, give Eric access. Eric, are you gonna sign in on my account or you want me to make IP post?
I'll just join in my side right now.
IP man is host. $152 handles, bro. Damn, son. Jackie just texted me saying, I'm not gonna ruin my live recording. He texted me saying some YouTuber, one of the big YouTubers, is trying to go short. They went short right at the 7/12 candle. Last tick long. Let me see what's going on with Arsen's situation.
I re-uploaded it, but we'll see.
Oh, that one video?
Yeah, that was the one I checked this morning. I'm like 9 views. There's no fucking way, bro. That's not possible.
Yeah.
The Matrix, bro. They don't want people to see it.
The second Ryan posts the last, they're like, no, you're done.
Ars,
Yeah.
if you can, just snip that bit and slow it down to real time on this candle's open. And then you speed it up after.
Yeah, I can do that.
Like, I want that candle's news to hit real time.
Bro, if we do that fast forward, it was too fast. It's gonna look like replay mode.
Oh, I have some congratulatory news. Alex ATM, Rob's Alex. He banged out on Top Step yesterday. This guy requested a fat payout.
Nice.
Not Top Step, sorry, Apex.
Oh, I hate that.
I'm sorry, I know you don't like them, but they had just had a crazy discount, and I said fuck it, and then I just came in and took all your trades with minimal lots. Passed the account, ran up margin, and then on one of the plays he just went like big margin on it.
Nice.
This guy took like over like a $20,000 payout yesterday.
Nice. That's sick.
10 accounts, $2,000 payout on each. That's why he's not here today.
He doesn't give a shit.
Yeah. Boost out.
All right, 20% runner.
Nice.
this is where they start lagging it. It's
Start
gonna start
fucking
playing
with people.
around now because of that level that I showed you, that retail level. So like this is retail going short already here. They're trying to accumulate short orders in this area.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
It's been a while, huh?
I really hate how we're pushing back up into this range though.
No, no, no.
I'm gonna go grab Rocket, I'll be back.
Right, I need something to cut.
Actually, I'll leave him be. His automatic feeder is about to go off at 8 a.m.
Oh, that's hard.
Bro, you should have seen this guy's face the first time it went off. He tripped out.
Flabbergasted, huh?
Bro, he tripped out. He didn't know what to do with his life. We're the only ones that blast music like this at 7 a.m., bro.
Last music and get blasted.
Eric, your girl went short at 7:12.
My girl's been tripping recently.
I don't think your girl knows how to
Well?
play. You need to give her some lessons.
I've been 12. That's the N-Log low, no?
No,
N-Dog
it's
low.
N-Dog. It's N-Dog high. That candle taps the N-Dog high and blasts.
Alright, so I want to talk about this real quick. So when we're number one thing today, it's very obvious before the entire long that's right in front of your face is N-Dog left open. So you want to be taking longs. You don't want to play the short side because price is going to go there. It's like a magnet. It's the same thing as the new week opening gap when we took shorts up here to attack new week opening gap. It's the same concept here. Taking longs down here to attack N-Dog. But when you dive deeper into price action, we've been consolidating all day and N-Dog left open and we're approaching AM session. We're approaching AM session. This is making a large wick down. It's making a large daily wick down on the daily time frame. It's pushing down and they flip it. When they flip it, there's an inefficiency here and there's small fair value gaps on a lower time frame in here from yesterday and AM session on the silver bullet. So they react price from there. Now, if you dive on the lower time frame, even looking at the 15-minute clean sell side taken, when you dive to the lower time frame, where's the first FVG on the 5-minute? Right here at 6:30 open. 6:30 open, price pushes down. 50% of the first 5-minute FVG at 6:30 a.m. Now I have this inversion in here as well at 6:10. But I'm not worried about the inversion yet. I'll look at the inversion once I take the trade or once if I don't get it down here at this low, I get in one more time at 6:55 when it taps back into the inversion. So shift in market structure, it creates the point of interest, 5-minute FVG at 6:30 open, taps 50% of the 5-minute FVG. You have these clean equal highs in here. And of course, retail is going short because it's leaving new day opening gap when they trade against the gap. And it's been shorting all week. That's very obvious. Dive down to 1 minute. Now 1 minute, there was no clean fair value gap in this 630 range. But if you look to your left side, I'm looking at the 616 FVG. That 645, we reacted up. So I'm looking and there's no fair value gaps on this run up on a 1 minute. We're respecting this level that's aligning with the 5-minute, and it's aligning with this 1 minute fair value gap, the closest one. That can be used as an inversion. This drop off this sell side, and a lot of people are going short. A lot of shorts are going down here at open. So they flip structure. They drop it back down. I'm watching that 1 minute FVG. So when price is running up and we're taking longs down here, I have to have at least one position with my stop below the 645 candle to be very safe. The price was just consolidating. I'm watching my left side. I see I have small little FVGs in here. That price is going to be respecting off. Now these are already landing inside. I'm going to remove the 5-minute fair value gap. It's landing inside the low of the daily FVG. And this is 50% of the range. So having one trade with the stop below 645 and even seeing 659 crimp bull and getting in again, or just stacking the entire range, whatever the way you want to play it. By 7 a.m. open, it just took off. And this is instantly going to end dog. There's nothing stopping it, not from going to end dog.
So Eric, which daily FVG are you talking about?
The closest one to price, which would be this one.
Alright, because on NQ it looks a little bit different, I think.
Where are we at? Which one are you looking at?
NQ.
What's the symbol for it?
NQM, in 2024, I guess.
Does it look like this?
Yeah, but like the FEG, the bottom area doesn't line up with market open, like the area for there.
Yeah, I see.
Too many things pointing to the upside there, Manu.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah, I know.
literally no confusion, bro.
Yeah,
Way
zero
too many
confusion.
things pointing to the upside.
No, I'm not confused about that. I was just asking like which daily FEG. But yeah, I was
So
anticipating long.
These daily wicks off the FEG are just doing damage. So you are the damage. Our position today is the damage to everyone that thought this was gonna short off from here. Now, when I'm looking at this, here, I'll leave it here. When I'm looking at this, and I see, okay, go to a 5-minute first. Let me show this. So look, you have this FEG, right? Arrow, can you mark that out with the blue box? Make it blue. Change the color of that box. Okay. So look, this is the 5-minute FEG. You have a left leg, you have a right leg. Which one's higher? Right leg, right?
Yeah.
There? Okay. When you have this situation, you should not see a return back to this FEG. So when I see market open, remember I talked about this, if it wants to rise, I wanted to see them take out further sell side, maybe one more level down. But when I woke up, I'm looking at it on the left-hand side and go to the 15-minute now arrow. Zoom out a little bit so I can see yesterday. I'm looking at all of this. And when I see price is opening up here in this, and I see that push up, and then I'm watching market open, and everything in this candle is getting balanced. I still don't have FEG marked. There was no FEG on market open range today. So when I'm seeing everything, every time it pushes up, it balances. It's just balancing the entire range. The only thing that didn't get balanced is what? The original push up off of market open, which is the breakout gap. That's the first FEG, the breakout that doesn't get touched. So when I see that, and I see that ADP is the 515 candle, and I know I have NDOG up here, then I know that I'm favoring long side. So now go to the 1-minute arrow. So when I see them pull it up over here, this is already giving me indication that it's a long. That's why over here, when I said when this thing starts pulling up, that's full-blown confirmation for the long. Right here, I'm not tripping too much. I just don't want us to get knocked out of our stop. That's the only thing I'm concerned about. Which is why I had my stop here, but I also have buy stops right here. Because I see what? That there is a equal high setup at the 5-minute FEG that shouldn't have come back to. That's giving me full indication that it's a long. Regardless of what Eric's daily FEG says, this and this and that, just based off of the day, based off of today, looking at everything, it's just screaming long me. So there's like, I hope no one was confused as to why my bias was long today. And when I see this, you see this retracement candle, and then creeps up, drops down, takes that out. Why do you think my stop was where it was right here? Because that's below this entire structure over here. And that's the first candle that pushes up through the structure. So I don't want them to touch that again. And right here, they got super close to my stop. Like I'm telling you, bro, if I didn't run the B and you saw where my stop was, it literally, like, the candle came down, bid touched it, but ask didn't, like that. That was the wick of the candle and my stop. And then from there, it just shot up. And the buy stops here got triggered. The buy orders in this range were in profit. So on this initial push up, that's already fat. It was a very simple play today.
Yeah, with NDOG left open, it's just full confirmation. Even if you don't have, let's say, even if I don't have this daily FVG, and I know NDOG is left open right here, I can just have 50% of the range with that 5-minute FVG that lands into 50% right here as well. 1-minute inversion. And sometimes this is just how it runs. Another time, you'll get a smaller candle and you'll get another opportunity to enter.
So Lev texted me yesterday. Lev, are you here?
Yeah.
So Lev texted me yesterday. He's like, "What do you think about price?" I'm like, "Very two directional." He's like, "I don't like that low." I'm like, "I don't like it either." But then I went in and I looked at it. I'm like, all right, if I come in the morning and they've tapped into that low, or they've even ran out that low, then that's gonna give me the 1 hour structure. You see, you can't look at it from one perspective, like, oh, 15-minute or whatever. It's the 1 hour structure needed to set up in that area for it to be able to long back. Remember I said in order for them to long this thing yesterday when we were talking about it, in order for them to long this thing, it needs a lot of effort. Well, it took all day today to set that up. To set up that effort, to set up the structure on the higher time frame to be able to run up. So when I come in today and I see it at that level, I'm like, bro, this is the spot. This level has to be the spot. But anyway,
Yeah,
good stuff.
and for people that obviously on the 1 minute time frame, it's very difficult to enter. So for long bias and you have trouble entering on the 1 minute time frame, you could just look at the 15-minute or the 30-minute or even the 5-minute and just take it off that. You don't have to get in and take last tick on the 1 minute time frame. Even if you take trades down here and run the stop all the way down at the low with a 30 handle stop, you're still gonna catch 100 handle run. So when me and Ryan are entering these on the 1 minute, we're entering in areas that those are the candles, bro. These areas are the candles that are gonna be the move of the day. Now you might, when you're watching it on the 1 minute, and you're seeing these candles go down, you might be tripping out, but you just gotta watch the 5 and the 15 in here. Basically, what I'm trying to say is you have to have a lot of experience to look at the 1 minute time frame and take a last tick entry. Or even take last tick entries in here.
Let me tell you this.
Normal to do.
Let me tell you this. If you stay long enough with this team, you're gonna be able to identify the very candle that you should enter on. Like, there's a reason that I get my positions in the way I get them in. It's because Eric and I have been trading the 1 minute for so long that I know which candle it should go from. Now, somebody can look at the 5 minute and somebody could take a trade off the 5 minute. There's nothing wrong with that. Guy's entry could have landed like somewhere here. Guy's entry could have been like over here on the 5 minute with the stop like down here. There's nothing wrong with that. It has to adjust the risk accordingly. By playing the 1 minute, you get the tighter stop, you get the tighter level, you get potential last tick entry. But yeah, good stuff. I got a hair in my mouth. We've hit the fourth standard deviation of the market open range, so just FYI.
You're running up that goal.
And that's it for today, boys. Enjoy your
I'll
day.
see you guys tomorrow.
I'll catch you guys later.
Take care, guys. See everyone.
See you guys.
Yeah, bros. Thank you.
I'll see you, brothers.
Bye.